If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly redirect all traffic from the www version of your website to the non-www version, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Cloudflare's DNS and rules features to get your visitors all landing in the same place, helping you with SEO, consistency, and a more professional look. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your domain so that even if someone types www before your site, they'll end up right where you want them every single time. Let's dive right in. First, we need to set up the correct DNS records in Cloudflare. So log into your Cloudflare dashboard and head over to your domain's DNS settings. This might look a little intimidating at first, but don't worry, just follow along. Now what we want to do is make sure both the root domain and the www version are correctly configured. Start by adding an A record for the root domain. In the name field, enter the @ symbol, which just means your base domain like yourdomain.com. For the IP address, you can use a dummy address like 192.0.2.1. Why a dummy IP? Well, Cloudflare sits in front of your true server, and using a placeholder here helps handle the redirect at Cloudflare's edge without exposing your actual server IP. Just make sure that the little orange cloud is enabled. This means your traffic is proxied through Cloudflare, which is what allows all these rules and redirects to work. Next, let's add a record for your www subdomain. If you want, you can use a CNAME record, which is basically an alias. Or you can add a record, either one works. But let's keep it simple and use CNAME. Set the name to www and point it to the root domain that s at or yourdomain.com. Again, make sure it's proxied orange cloud on. What this setup does is ensure that both versions of your domain are controlled and managed by Cloudflare. Ready for the next step? Now here's where the magic really happens. We're going to set up a page rule that will catch anyone visiting the www version and politely, but forcefully, send them right to your non-www site. On your Cloudflare dashboard, find the Rules section and click on Overview. From here, you'll create a new rule and choose the Redirect Rules option. Take a breath here. Setting up rules can feel a little technical, but you're almost there. Where it says if the URL matches, put in www.yourdomain.com/, be sure to swap in your actual domain name. The asterisk at the end is important. It means any page or path on your www site will be covered by this rule, not just the homepage. For the settings, we want to select forwarding URL. Then 301 permanent redirect. A 301 tells browsers and search engines that this is a long-term change, and helps with SEO by consolidating all your traffic and rankings to the non-www version. In the destination, enter https://yourdomain.com/$1. The $sign and 1 will carry over whatever page the user was trying to access. So www.yourdomain.com/about goes to yourdomain.com/about and so on. It's a little detail, but it makes your redirects much more user-friendly. Once everything looks good, just click Save and Deploy. Cloudflare will activate the rule and you're set. Keep in mind, DNS and page rule changes sometimes take a few moments to propagate. So if it doesn't work instantly, just hang tight or try clearing your cache. That's it. Your traffic should now smoothly redirect from www to non-www, just like you wanted. If this helped you out, please hit that like button. And if you ran into any bumps or have questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.